Hello, today I'm going to introduce you the turntable time stopper. The purpose of this is to have your turntable to stop at any time intervals for your camera to capture the image and to produce a 360 product image. Okay, so first in this timer, you will see the left column and the right column. The left column is the intervals that you want the turntable to stop at in the time intervals. For example, this is the second to 0.1 to hour to minutes. And then, for example, you want the turntable to stop every 3 seconds. 2 seconds, you can set it at this column. Now, the right column is the time that you want the turntable to stop. For example, after it stops for every 3 seconds, how long do you want the turntable to stop? The purpose of this is to allow you to have enough time to take your pictures. Maybe I'll set it to 7, 6, 5 seconds. Okay, so after this is done, you plug, let's plug the turntable into the socket here, and the timer, let's plug it to the socket here. So you will see that the turntable starting to move. So now it's turning, and it will stop for 4 seconds for you to shoot, and then it turns again for another 3 seconds, and then you take picture again, and then it turns. Then you take a picture again after it stops, and so it turns again, and it turns again. Okay, as you can see here, the timer are very clear. You know, the timer just from left then to right. So that's 1, 2, and then you will see your time, the turntable just turning, then stopping